Hello everyone. There is lockdown outside all around. We are facing challenges to keep our child in home. So, if we make some indoor games for our child, they will be busy with this and not will become bored. If the indoor games can be made educational, that will be a great combination. They can learn with joy. Let's start a fun game with some shapes today. I have made this type of puzzle game. To make this game, I have used this kind of box. Firstly, I have drawn different kind of shapes with pencil inside the box and cut all the marked shapes with knife and scissors. To decorate it, I have wrapped with color paper. For making this kind of shapes, I have used thermocol and to decorate it, I have wrapped with color paper. What's this?
Rectangle.
Where is rectangle?
Here.
Now put it on the right shape. What's this?
Square.
Where is square?
Here.
Now put it. What's this?
Heart.
Where is heart?
Here.
Yes. Put it. What's this?
Star.
Where is star?
This. Here.
Put it. What's this?
Circle.
Where is circle?
Here.
I have another cutting for raised shapes. What's this?
Semicircle.
Where is the semicircle?
Here.
Now put it on the right shape. May I help you?
Yes.
What's this?
Triangle.
Where is the triangle?
Here.
Put it. What's this?
Rhombus.
Where is rhombus?
Here.
Put it. What's this?
Oval.
Where is oval?
Here.
Put it. Wow! I hope this game will help our child to learn the shapes with joy. To get the latest update, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And obviously, stay home and stay safe.